Nanoma Lesufi athi cishe tonke tikolo talesifundza setiyitfolile emabhuku nekwekubhala tikhona letingakacedzi kutsenga tintfo tekufundza.
We've also concluded the delivery of LTSM, that is the learning, teaching and support material, textbooks and stationery. There is no single school in our province that has been declared a Section 20 school that does not have this material. We are monitoring some Section 21 schools that might not have concluded the buying of stationaries, but we are quite pleased that almost 99% of all our schools have concluded this process and they've already started distributing this material to learners since yesterday.
Lesifundza siphindze sathi bangetulu kwetinkulungwane letimbili bafundzi labasengakatitfoli tikolo tekufundza kulesifundza utsi sekuthunyelwe emakilasi labo mahamba nendlwane kuletindzawo letinesidzingo lesikhulu.
We are only left with 2,404 learners that we need to place in our schools. Of the 2,401 learners that still need to be placed, we are quite convinced that by the end of next week, we would have concluded the placement because we have ordered mobile classrooms to alleviate pressure where it's needed. The last part that is a major problem within the placement of learners is that majority of parents prefer certain schools, and all those schools, 418 to be precise, are full to the brim. We can't even add an additional desk. We can't even add an additional chair. We are pleading with parents to go for the alternative schools that we've given them.
Lesufi uthi tikolo tiseluhlelweni lokuvala tikhala tabothishela labashone nge-COVID-19. Lesifundza siphindze salungisa tikolo letingemakhulu lamatsatfu nemashumi lamatsatfu nakubili letacekelwa phasi kulomnyaka lophelile. Tikolo tahulumende kulendzeleke kutsi tivulwe ngeMsombuluko leliviki lelitako.